Hi everybody, it's Wanda. At least I'm not croaking today. It's Saturday afternoon. I've been mixing paint. I'm going to try this 24 by 36, which is not a gallery wrap. I actually got this at Ross, of all places. My daughter wanted to go there and look for a purse, and I ended up buying this canvas and a 30 by 40 that are not gallery wrap for cheap. So I was pretty happy about that. My idea is to try another galaxy type pour, just like I just did on the smaller canvases. And this time I mixed up a navy blue as the background, and instead of gold I went with silver. I have a little white. This is my titanium white that's got some Anita's white metallic added to it. This is Master's Touch Ocean Green, which gave me such beautiful cells in that one. This is Golden's Teal, and this is a combination of DecoArt Extreme Sheen in Lavender Frost, and I added some Folk Art Amethyst Metallic to that because I didn't have very much of it. So I'm going to move these out of the way, cover my canvas with the dark blue. I made that using a lot of Cobalt, probably about 6 or 7 ounces of Cobalt, about 2 ounces of Phthalo Blue, and about 2 ounces of black, and mixed it up and put my Floetrol. Everything is mixed 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol, except the ocean green, which is 1:1 because that Master's Touch is a little thinner. And I'm going to try not to put too much paint on the canvas because I think I had better luck doing that the first time. So I have a smaller cup than I normally would use. But I'm going to cover this canvas. I hope I have this thin enough that it will run pretty good. It's so hard for me to tell until I get it on the canvas and see what happens. This size canvas normally would take about 30 ounces of paint. So this could be a little thinner, but I will cover it and then I'll be back. Okay, people, I need you all to send me some good vibes. I'm terrified. So I'm trying to figure out where I want to put this white. I think, let me think. Whatever comes out, what's on the bottom is going to come out last. So I don't want it to be white. I think I'm going to go in with amethyst first. Then some teal. Then some white, just a little bit. Then some of this beautiful ocean green. Then some silver. And a little more amethyst up next to that silver should be really pretty. I'm not going to use a lot of this paint. I figure if I don't have enough, I can always add more. Okay, okay. And I'm going to kind of do it like I did the other day with going out, but leaving some space in between, and hopefully it'll turn out okay. And I didn't use it all, so maybe I'll put a little bit more right in here. Ooh, yeah, that purple's showing now. Okay. Fall over cup. Let's see what we get. Oh, it's gonna go wonky on me. Well, my little streamers didn't spread out the way I wanted them to. Right down here. Maybe I'll make another cup. I think I need some more. Need some paint on this edge. I bumped it against my leg. Well, that came out all of a sudden. Uh-oh. Now it's going real wonky on me. I think I'm just gonna let it go. Let it do its thing. I know you all can't see this, but well, this is not going to look like a galaxy, I don't think. But I think I like it. It's a little odd. I'm gonna have to go around and check all my edges and my sides because I have some weird stuff here where I think I dipped it into the paint as I was tilting it. I love the colors. The colors are wonderful. So it's very strange because it really doesn't have a focal point in the center, but it has all this. But this is really pretty. I can't wait to show you all that. And this down here turned out really pretty too. So it's very odd, but I kind of like it. You know me, I kind of like odd. So I think it's going to go okay. It looks very, very strange right in here too. I really love the colors in this. Oh, wow. So I will take the camera down. I'm going to fix my edge over here for sure and go around and check my other edges, and I will give you a close-up. So thank you so much for watching. This is what I ended up with. I'm not crazy about it, but I'm certainly not going to pour over it because this is a big canvas. And I used a lot of base paint. So I hope that it doesn't dry completely black. I was hoping it would look a little more blue, but it's okay, whatever it does. I just wanted to show you all this down here. It is so incredibly gorgeous the way those paints blended in there. And that amethyst or lavender frost color coming through and into some of the other colors. And then up in here, that is just so wonderful. It is just so pretty right in there. I really, really am happy with that part. And I actually just looked at my camera, and I don't even know in my photos if I got the whole pour or not. So I'm going to go check on that. Thank you all for watching. It's my first day back after being sick for almost a week. So at least I sound halfway human today. Thank you so much.